Ever found yourself in a pickle because your Roku remote decided to take a day off? Ah, the frustration. Roku remotes, like our favorite celebrities, can sometimes be a little temperamental. Whether you're dealing with the classic standard infrared or IR remote that requires a direct line of sight to your device, or the high-tech enhanced point anywhere version, these little devices can throw a wrench in your binge-watching plans. Fear not, dear viewer, for we have the solution to your Roku remote woes. First, let's talk about reviving your standard IR Roku remote. The first step is like a doctor checking a pulse. Examine those batteries. If they're weak or lifeless, a fresh pair could be the miracle cure. Next, unplug your Roku device. Count to 5, then plug it back in. It's like a quick nap for your device, and we all feel better after a nap, right? After your Roku device wakes up, give that remote a try, and voila! Your standard IR remote should now be back from the dead. Now, if you possess the enhanced Point Anywhere remote, the resurrection process is slightly different. Kick things off by removing the batteries from your remote. Then give your TV a 1-minute power nap, unplug it for 60 seconds. After its beauty sleep, plug it back in and wait for the home screen to pop up. Next, reinsert the batteries into the remote. If the remote decides to play hard to get, press and hold the pairing button until it sees the light. And there you have it. Your enhanced remote should now be alive and kicking. But what if your remote decides to be stubborn and refuses to work even after all that? Well, don't let it ruin your binge-watching session. Check for any obstructions between the remote and the device, or try using a different Roku remote. If your phone is handy, the Roku mobile app can serve as a temporary remote control. And if all these solutions seem like they're just not cutting it, don't sweat it. Remember, patience is key, but if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Roku customer support or consider getting a new remote.